Good afternoon, everybody. Well, have you heard about this? In Morristown, New Jersey, a high school cheerleader has filed a lawsuit against her parents. Well, she was denied this in the lawsuit. Apparently, this has been going on for some time. 8-year-old Rachel Canning filed a lawsuit against her parents. Now, she moved out of her parents' house a few days before her 18th birthday in October. She ended up moving into her best friend's home and is still, was staying with them during the time of this lawsuit, which her best friend's dad is a lawyer. So, she sued her parents. She wanted full college tuition paid by her parents to the college of her choice. She wanted all her legal fees paid, which topped a little over $13,000. She wanted her parents to pay that. And she also wanted her parents to pay her $654 a week. Not a month. A week in child support. That's round about somewhere close to $2,600, give or take. So she claims that the reason that she left is because she's Catholic, by the way. I don't know what that has to do with anything. That's just what it says. She claims that her parents were abusive to her. She says that they kicked her out because she would not break up with her boyfriend. Her parents say she moved out on her own. Her parents say that she became, I'm not sure what word to use. She stopped following the rules. She did not want to follow the household rules. She would not listen. She would stay out night after night and drink. And she was only 17 at the time. And she would constantly break curfew. Her parents, while they say it's no secret they didn't like her boyfriend, her not ending her relationship with her boyfriend had nothing to do with their fallout. And probably if she was breaking curfew, she was doing it with this boy. He probably had her out to all hours, and she just... she's got two sisters that still live at home. Her sisters refused to be a part of this lawsuit, but somehow a school psychologist examined her or something and is trying to blame the parents also by saying the parents were abusive to the child. The child? She's old enough to go and fight for her country. She's not a child. And I believe that her best, even if the parents were abusive, she could have just moved out and left it at that. She just turned 18 a few days after she moved out, but I think that the attorney friend probably told her, as long as you move out before you turn 18, they will have to pay you child support. They will have to pay you this, that, and the other. That's what I think happened. Because, if she was over 18, they could have done anything. Probably wouldn't even gone to court. But, so, in a court of law, the judge has said no. The judge wants the family to reconcile, to work things out. The judge has denied her any money. She has since moved back home with her parents that she claims were so abusive, and she is over 18 now. But has also not dropped her lawsuit. They go back to court on the 22nd of April. I don't think any court is going to make those parents pay that kind of money for her. As it stands now, if she wants to be out on her own, she can get a job now. She's 18. Like I said, she's old enough to go fight for her country, so she can get a job. She can be out. If she wanted $600 some every week, then apparently her family is wealthy. So I think she's just spoiled. She's spoiled. She wants everything handed to her on a silver platter. She wanted all this money probably so she could have her rent paid for, her college paid for, her boyfriend could move in with her, and blah, 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 blah. So no, I don't think that Rachel deserves a dime from her parents. Her parents, by the way, are Sean and Elizabeth Canning. They've been dealing with this, like I said, since October. No, I don't think she deserves a dime. You know, as far as her college tuition goes, well sure, you know, parents generally pay for your college tuition anyway. But she needs, they said she was an honor student, so she needs to get a scholarship. And then I'm sure her parents would pay the rest of her tuition. But at the same time, she's a spoiled little brat. She needs to grow up. That's the whole thing. I think she's afraid of growing up. I think she's afraid of turning 18 and having to go off to college and get a job and live in the real world. So she wanted to do something shocking to get her name in the news, to sell a book off of that, maybe make a movie, have her parents pay her in the meantime, so that she doesn't have to lift her little fingers. Well, Rachel doesn't deserve nothing. And until next time, bye-bye.